para po ma-fast track the process. So I'm sure everyone wants an answer as well. I told the people I'll answer at the proper form or the proper time. And this is it po. I also have my affidavit. And I'm ready to answer po. I'll lay the cards on the table. I don't want to invalidate the feelings of people towards the gravity of the situation if I deny. So I had to gather all the evidence back and
Executive session. What's the reason?
they asked me for the guidelines of the live stream that came out. They asked me to assess it.
Guys, wala tayong material ha.
I wrote a letter. And they asked either live streamer not. And because respect to the commission, they asked naman po.
So yung sa father po ninyo, sabi yung father niyo yung tumatanggap on your behalf?
Yes po. Again, it's all hearsay po, sir. Kasi until now, as I said, baka mas mabuti po bago po magturo, bigay po muna sa akin ng ebidensya laban sa akin. Because up to this point, since September 8, they haven't even given out anything against me or my father. You know, and my father is also willing to go through the investigation. Wala po kami tinatago, hindi ako magtatago, hindi ako iiwas, hindi ako lilipad ng ibang bansa. I am here to thoroughly go through the investigation to fight for my innocence po. And
Sige, we'll do it.
Sige.
Excuse us. Thank you. Excuse us. Excuse. Thank you. Excuse pala, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.